Today we're going to draw and paint a family. So much love. Right, let's start with the outlines. We're going to start with Mum, her hair and her face. Maybe you could even draw your mum. Nice collar on a shirt, some hands. Let's do a skirt and her legs and feet. Brilliant. Who's next? It is the daughter with a lovely little hair bow in her hair. Happy face, rosy cheeks. She's wearing a nice dress. Frilly at the bottom. Ooh, lovely. And her brother with some cool hairdo. He's a super cool dude. A t-shirt with a smiley face on and some shorts. Last but not least, we've got Dad. Nice bit of curly hair, moustache. He's wearing a smart shirt there. Short sleeves, so we've got his arms too. We're showing his arms. And a tie. Stripes on that, pocket detail, some trousers, pockets. There you go. Ready to paint. Let's start with Mummy's hair. Brown. Or what colour is your mummy's hair? Maybe it's blonde, so you could use a yellow paint. Maybe it's black. Maybe it's blue. Peach for her face. Again, you can adapt the colours to suit your family if you like. Hands as well. And legs. She's not wearing ties. Pink for the rosy cheeks. And let's do her t-shirt pink as well. Lovely. And yellow for the collar and the sleeves and the belt. Let's go for purple for the bottom half. A lovely purple skirt. Red shoes, why not? And let's do a yellow hair bow for the little girl. And some nice pink rosy cheeks. Brown hair, just like her mommy. Lovely. Now a nice peachy face, just like her mommy. Hands and legs. Let's go for green now for her dress. Ooh, what a gorgeous, vibrant colour it is. Red for the collar and cuffs and the frills. And I think gold shoes. Ooh, look at that. Now brown hair for her brother too. This is a brown-haired family. And a peachy face. Maybe you could look at your family and see what clothes they're wearing and copy those designs and colours. Maybe they're wearing a hat. Maybe they have a purse or a handbag. Have a look and see what you can figure out. Red t-shirt for him. Yellow smiley face. And some blue shorts. Let's do dark blue shoes. Yeah, time for Dad. He's going brown haired too. Squiggly, squiggly, curly, curly. Don't forget the moustache. And a lovely peachy face as well. Perfect. And the ears. Arms and hands. Rosy cheeks, of course. Green for his belt and collar. Lovely. Ooh, we're going for a nice vibrant red colour at the top of his tie and some yellow for the stripes. A lovely royal blue colour for his shirt. Super smart, don't you think? Just going around the pocket and the tie. We can do the pocket a different colour. Make it interesting. A light blue. Now we're going for gold for his trouser pockets and zip. And why not the rest of his trousers too? What colour shall we do his shoes? Blue! What a great idea! Match his pocket. And there you have it. A gorgeous, colourful, vibrant, sparkly family full of love. How did you do? Did you enjoy making that picture? I bet you loved doing it. Oh, me too. It was so much fun. See you next time. Hi friends, look at my gorgeous house. Let's draw. We'll start with a triangle for the roof. It's going to be a wide triangle. Now, slightly inside the edge of the triangle, we're doing a rectangle underneath and a tall rectangular door with a circular door handle and square windows with crisscross frames. And now, let's do something in the garden. We're doing a gorgeous tree, a rectangle and a cone shape for the tree. A circle with small triangles on the outside for the sun. Look at those rays. There you go. That was so easy. Time to paint. Green first for our lovely tree. So you see, it just takes a few different shapes. You put them all together and you get a fabulous picture. You could draw your house taller, thinner, more windows, more doors, whatever you like. Brown for the tree trunk. What things do you have in your garden? Maybe some flowers and grass. We're doing a red roof. Wow, I would love a red sparkly roof on my house, wouldn't you? Almost there. Done. Now yellow. The main body of our house is going to be sparkly yellow. If you wanted, you could do patterns on your walls, like stripes or zigzags or even swirly-whirly patterns. Perhaps you could have some flowers growing up the side of your house. Maybe you could even draw bricks and make them multicoloured. There. Now for pink. Lovely pink window frames, but only every other one. Next we're going for blue, which we're going to alternate with the pink. Blue and pink look fantastic, don't you think? Purple now for the door. Wow, my favourite colour. Going around the door handle, side to side, and done! Door handle can be green. Yes, and last but not least, a golden sun. Golden rays all around. Wonderful! And yellow for the main part. Wow, this looks amazing! And can you believe how easy it was to do? Brilliant! There you have it! Home sweet home!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!